Hi everyone, it's me Tina Amir and welcome to my channel. So for today our topic is about the story between husband and wife and it's story of blender. But before I begin for this video, I'm just gonna use informal pronunciation. So for those of you who still not clear yet, what is informal pronunciation? Please watch my number 53 video which is about confusing pronunciation. So this is a story between husband and wife and it's a blended story. We're gonna start now. Si isteri berasa curiga terhadap suami dan menelefon suaminya yang sedang berada di rumah. Si isteri berasa curiga terhadap suami dan menelefon suaminya yang sedang berada di rumah. Si isteri berasa curiga terhadap suami dan menelefon suaminya yang sedang berada di rumah. A wife felt suspicious towards husband and called him. He's basically at home and she's basically outside. The wife called the husband. Hello, abang kat mana ni? Hello, abang kat mana ni? Hello, abang kat mana ni? So it means, hello, where are you, husband? So abang here is not your real brother, but here is common for a wife to call husband as abang because of respect. So the husband answer, kat rumah yang, kat rumah yang, kat rumah yang. So it means at home, darling. So yang is from the word sayang, love. People either call sayang or ayang or yang. And then the wife needs husband to convince her. Cuba abang hidupkan blender. Cuba abang hidupkan blender. Cuba abang hidupkan blender. So it means please turn on the blender. Blender in Malay is pengisar. Pengisar. Root word is kisar. Blend. But Malay comfortable to use this word blender. And if you want to direct translate this, you notice here the word hidupkan. So hidup is the root word. Hidup alone is alive or life. So hidupkan, make it alive. You cannot direct translate how it is in English. So that's why I just translate here. Please turn on the blender. Cuba abang hidupkan blender. So suami pun hidupkan blender. Suami pun hidupkan blender. Suami pun hidupkan blender. So husband turn on the blender. And she's like, okay. Esoknya si isteri telefon lagi suaminya. Esoknya si isteri telefon lagi suaminya. Esoknya si isteri telefon lagi suaminya. The next day, the wife called the husband again. Abang kat mana ni? Abang kat mana ni? Abang kat mana ni? So it means, husband, where are you? Then husband said, kat rumah yang, kat rumah yang, kat rumah yang, at home, darling. The wife said to husband, tolong bunyikan blender. Tolong bunyikan blender. Tolong bunyikan blender. Please turn on the blender. Suami pun hidupkan blender. Suami pun hidupkan blender. Suami pun hidupkan blender. So husband turn on the blender and wife listen to that and she convinced his home. Keesokannya, si isteri pulang ke rumah tanpa memberi tahu suaminya terlebih dahulu. Keesokannya, si isteri pulang ke rumah tanpa memberi tahu suaminya terlebih dahulu. Keesokannya, si isteri pulang ke rumah tanpa memberi tahu suaminya terlebih dahulu. So the next day, the wife came back home before told the husband beforehand. Alangkah terkejutnya si isteri apabila mendapati suaminya tiada di rumah. Yang ada hanyalah anaknya. Alangkah terkejutnya si isteri apabila mendapati suaminya tiada di rumah. Yang ada hanyalah anaknya. Alangkah terkejutnya si isteri apabila mendapati suaminya tiada di rumah. Yang ada hanyalah anaknya. How surprised she was when she's find out he's not at home and only their child at home. The wife asked the child, ayah pergi mana? Ayah pergi mana? Ayah pergi mana? Where's your father's going? The child answer, tak tahu, tapi ayah bawa blender. Tak tahu, tapi ayah bawa blender. Tak tahu, tapi ayah bawa blender. So it means I don't know, but he brought blender with him. Well, I guess that's all for lesson for now. Thank you very much for watching and till we meet again then. Bye!